Brothers and sisters, I'm in Pakistan. You know what's happened? The flood has really devastated this country. Village behind me, no way of getting food there besides walking through the water. And mashallah, Asufa relief is here. Brother Yasir is over there as well. Mashallah, may Allah reward him. This is where charities don't want to come. By the grace of Allah, we're working with the locals, and that's we're getting to these people where they are afflicted. There is nothing for them besides us and your help by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Your assistance is daily needed. Keep the assistance coming. A third of the country is under water. Wallahi, it's like Qiyamah, a small Qiyamah when you go to certain places. Entire villages have been ruined. So, need your assistance, your du'as. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
فالدرب صابر